Let's get into this. If you didn't know, I am the owner and proprietor of ConvoCourses.com. It's a site where it teaches you how to get into cybersecurity, and specifically where I'm the subject matter expert is something called security compliance. Security compliance has to do with if you've ever gone to a bank, if you've ever used a retail, if you ever used a point of sale device, if you ever gotten a card from the DMV, like all of those things require something called security compliance. That's the rules and the regulations that go into an organization's cybersecurity. So not necessarily implementation of the cybersecurity like firewalls or IPSs, IDSs, and all that kind of stuff. Not the technical implementation, but more like how does this organization, whether it be a bank or your hospital or Target or Walmart or whoever, how do they comply and keep security on their systems? That's what I do, and that's what I teach people how to do. I've been doing this for a very long time, specifically for the government, the federal government, but I've also done it in the private sector, and I've done it for states. I've done it a little bit for other countries when it pertained to the US.